नमस्ते, सत श्री अकाल, वणक्कम। गुड मॉर्निंग डियर चिल्ड्रन। एक बार फिर आप सभी का इस हिंदी ऑनलाइन क्लास में स्वागत है। तो बच्चों, पिछली बार हमने पाठ 11 विल्मा रुडोल्फ का रिवीजन किया था और आज हम करने जा रहे हैं पाठ 12 बोओगे सो काटोगे। So last time we have conducted a revision of chapter number 11 Wilma Rudolph, and now today we are going to take a short revision of chapter number 12 बोओगे सो काटोगे। Now what is the meaning of बोओगे? उसका अर्थ क्या है? बोओगे का अर्थ क्या है? Yes, बोओगे means what we plant, to plant. काटोगे means to cut, to reap, R-E-A-P. So you know the proverb, what we sow shall we reap. So whatever we do in our life, हम हमारे ज़िंदगी में जो भी करते हैं, हमारे जीवन में जो भी करते हैं, हमें उसका फल मिलता है. We get the result of it, we get the fruits of it. So whatever, if we do nice thing, we get nice result. If we do wrong things, we get wrong results, right? So whatever positive things we do, we get the positive result, and whatever negative we do, we get the negative result in our life. That is only the the rules of life. How much we do nice to others, हम जितनी भी अच्छी बातें और अच्छी चीज़ें किसी और के लिए करते हैं, the same way we get the proper result for it, isn't it? So this is the chapter of king and a person who is a royal poet in the court of the king, and his minister who was very, very cunning, very bad, whose name is Shambhu. So once again I tell you, राजा का नाम क्या है? It's a story. राजा का नाम क्या है? What is the name of the king? राजा रामदेव राय. राजा रामदेव राय. और उनके एक मिनिस्टर है, उनके एक मंत्री है, सेवक है, उनका नाम क्या है? शंभू. राजा कैसे है? How is the king? The king is very nice in nature. He is very kind. He loves his kingdom. He loves his people, and he do whatever they want. So he was a very, very, very kind and very protective king who protects his kingdom well. But his sevak Shambhu is not a good person. He is a very bad person. And we come to know in this chapter, you know this chapter very well, how he tried to cheat the royal poet and his king. So what is the name of the royal poet here? Come on, tell me, what is the name of the royal poet here? Yes, Chandragupta. Right? It is Chandragupta. So Chandragupta is a very good poet, and he recites the poem so nicely. He is a very, very talented poet, and he recites the poem so nicely that Raja उसे बहुत पसंद करने लगे. The king started liking him very much, and he was very much immersed. बहुत ही गहराई से उसके पोम सुनते थे, उसके जो कविता है वो सुनते थे. So the king used to listen his poem and get immersed into it very well. And because he loves the way he recite the poem, and the poems are very nice, बहुत अच्छी कविताएं थी, that is why the king every day used to give him rewards. So चंद्रगुप्त को राजा क्या देते थे? सोने के सिक्के देते थे. कितने सोने के सिक्के देते थे? How many gold coins he give? 5. Every day this Chandragupta gets 5 gold coin from the king as a reward. Looking that, उसे देखकर शंभू को बहुत गुस्सा आता. शंभू gets very angry, and he says that whole month he works very hard for king, but how much he get? He get only 10 gold coin. So what is the salary? What is the remuneration of Shambhu per month? Yes, only 10 gold coins. But Chandragupta, how much he gets? He gets 5 gold coins every day. So किसको ज़्यादा मिलता है? Who is getting more coins? Yes, of course, Chandragupta. Why? Because of his poem, because of his kavita. And now Shambhu is so angry and he is so jealous of Chandragupta. What he did, उसने क्या किया? उसने एक उपाय सोचा. क्या उपाय सोचा? How to bring down or how to trap Chandragupta in the net of king. Okay, that means he want to make Chandragupta fall down, so that the king will not love him, he will not love his poem, and he will not reward him every day. So what did he do? He make a plan. He made a plan. What is his plan? One day, एक दिन वो चंद्रगुप्त के घर गए. He went to Chandragupt's house, and what he says that the king don't like to listen your poem. Now whenever you come to the court, the king is feeling very bad. Why? Because he thinks that you are becoming old, like looking your white hair, because as we grow old, we also get white hairs, right? So yeah, Chandragupta is little bit old person, and he is having white hairs, gray hairs, we can say. So looking your gray hair or white hair, the king is very upset, and he feels that he looks his image in you. That means how he will look when he get old. So that is why he don't like you. So tomorrow onwards, when you come to the court for reciting poem, do one thing, wear a turban. Okay. And after telling that, he come to the king and says that, King, Your Honor, this Chandragupta don't like to recite a poem. When he comes and recite a poem in front of you, he feel headache. And that is why tomorrow onwards he is going to wear turban and come because of the headache. उसके सर में दर्द होता है. दर्द means ache. So this way he make a conspiracy, षड्यंत्र. Okay. So उसने एक षड्यंत्र बनाया, एक conspiracy बनाया, and he went to both of them and said that you wear turban, and to king he says that he is having headache, that's why he will wear turban. Next day when Chandragupta came wearing turban, the king was very angry, because he says that to Chandragupta that I'm going to reward you for this, because you are very good singer, I will reward you. And he writes something on a piece of paper and give that envelope to Chandragupta and say that give to his mantri, minister, and he will give you the reward. Now Shambhu is upset. By doing this, again he is getting reward. So what did he do? He went to Chandragupta and said that give me that envelope, because I gave you the idea to wear turban. That's why king is happy with you and he is giving you reward once again. So this reward is not yours, it should be mine. And he take that envelope and he went to the mantri. Actually in that what was written, a person who will bring this envelope should be punished very, seriously. He should be punished very well. Okay. But Shambhu thought that some reward is there, some coins or some properties he will get from it. But what happened when minister got this, very quickly minister seized whom? Shambhu, and he put Shambhu in jail, in prison. So this is the story. But again, looking this, Chandragupta was very upset. And he was, because as he's a very kind man and honest man, he went to king and he said everything. And he said that leave Shambhu without punishing. He is a greedy man, I know, but he may learn a lesson from this. And as the listening Chandragupta, the king, Raja Ramdev Rai, he left Shambhu from the prison. That means he was free from the prison. And Shambhu then understand what we sow, that we reap. That means Shambhu tried to make a problem to whom? To Chandragupta. But in that trap he is only trapped. In that net he is only trapped. So this is a chapter. I hope you understand this chapter very well. Now in next video I am going to discuss some question answers and meanings and other exercises. Okay, don't go back. So I hope you understand the chapter properly. Boge so katoge. Now in this, some question answers, meanings, exercises are there. We have already completed it. So some important questions and all the exercises you have to learn properly. And now let's discuss about the question. Raja Kaviraj को क्या पुरस्कार देते हैं? Raja Kaviraj को क्या means what? क्या पुरस्कार देते हैं? What award the king gives? 5 सोने के सिक्के, 5 gold coins. So every day listening the poem, what the king gave 5 सोने के सिक्के, 5 सोने gold, सिक्के means coin. Okay, so 5 coins. कविता सुनकर राजा को क्या मिलता था? कविता सुनकर राजा को क्या मिलता था? What the king gets listening the poem. So when we like something and when we sit and listen, if you like a song and you sit and listen, what you get a pleasure, right? Some pleasure you get. Okay, so राजा को क्या मिलता था? आनंद मिलता था. आनंद means pleasure. So कविता सुनकर राजा को आनंद मिलता था. महाराज ने पत्र में क्या लिखा था? So what was written in the letter? महाराज ने पत्र में क्या लिखा था? कि ये पत्र जो भी लेकर आए उसे कड़ी से कड़ी सजा दी जाए. So what was written in that? In that what was written? I'll read that properly. So राजा, ये पत्र जो भी ले आए उसे क्या किया जाए? उसे सजा दी जाए. So who will bring this? He should be punished. Okay, so read that. All question answers I have given you. Read it properly. Then चंद्रगुप्त शंभू से ईर्ष्या क्यों करता था? चंद्रगुप्त शंभू से ईर्ष्या क्यों करता था? Why is चंद्रगुप्त ईर्ष्या? ईर्ष्या means jealous. Because चंद्रगुप्त चंद्रगुप्त शंभू से ईर्ष्या, इट इज़ रॉन्ग. ओके, शंभू चंद्रगुप्त से ईर्ष्या क्यों करता था? बिकॉज चंद्रगुप्त गेट्स 5 gold coins daily, and after working the whole month this Shambhu gets only 10 gold coins. Okay, so चंद्रगुप्त को रोज 5 सोने के सिक्के मिलते थे. Okay, that is why he was very much jealous. शंभू ने कविराज को नीचा दिखाने के लिए क्या योजना बनाई? What is the योजना means plan. What was the plan he made? So उसने क्या किया? वो जाके कविराज से कहता है कि राजा को आपकी छवि उनमें दिखती है, इसलिए कल से आप क्या पहन के आना? पगड़ी पहन के आना. Tomorrow onwards you wear turban because the king see his image in you. How now you are looking your white hair, he feels very sad, and that is why tomorrow onwards you wear turban and come to the court. Okay, and then when he went to king and he says that Chandragupta don't like to recite poem, he is fed up of reciting poem for you, that is why he is having headache, and tomorrow onwards he is going to wear turban. So read that answer in note, it is given. Read that answer, understand it properly. Okay, so this was what is now some small questions, short questions like राजा का नाम क्या है? राजा का नाम राजा रामदेव राय. और कवि का नाम क्या है? कवि का नाम चंद्रगुप्त. एंड मंत्री का इसका नाम क्या है? सेवक का नाम क्या है? शंभू. सो रिमेंबर दिस नेम्स प्रॉपर्ली. ओके, नाउ व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ स्तब्ध, स्टन्ड, निष्पट, निष्कपट, innocent? So all these meanings are there in page number 86, 85, 86 and 87. You have to go through all the meanings. Okay, so learn it properly. Learn it properly. Okay, now next is some exercises on page number 90. Fill in the blanks, go through it properly, then add suffix. Suffix means adding extra word to the root word. Okay, for example, niyam plus it becomes niyamit. Anand plus it, anandit. Vyatha plus it, vyathit. Achamba plus it, achambit. This way, page number 90, you will find out some words. Okay, then some prefix are also there. Prefix is also there, which is called upsarg in Hindi. V plus khyat, vikhyat. V plus shesh, vishesh. V plus nash, vinash. This way. Then one word is there on page number 91. जिसके मन में कपट ना हो, निष्कपट. So just go through all the exercises properly. Match the following is there. All these things are very, very important. So study well. Okay. And next Thursday, I will conduct one test paper for you of chapter number 11 and 12. Okay. So study very well all the exercises. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.